I have the new beauty, makeup, and skincare product releases for you for Tuesday, February 13th. If I do happen to get any of these products in PR, I will do a full review of that product for you. First up, from Lice Beauty, our new eyeshadow palettes. Love Yourself eyeshadow palette, $25, and mix of matte and shimmers. From Armani Beauty is the blushes that keep on coming. This is a Luminous Silk Glow Blush. Luminous silk finish that drapes your skin like silk, fine pigments that give your skin a natural transparent flush of color with a satin finish. It is coming soon on their website and to retailers. From Huda Beauty is the new Matte Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Powder, matte, and cream to powder finishes, warm and cool. Warm Matte Obsessions is a mix of toasty terracottas, rusty oranges, pretty peaches, and rich browns. Cool Matte Obsessions is a mix of icy mauves, dreamy pinks, pastel purples, and frosty browns. From Guerlain is their new floral denim collection for summer 2023. It includes quad lipsticks and lipstick cases. It's coming soon on their website and to retailers. So we have some new shades from BeautyAmaB Beauty, Major Sculpt Cream Contour, and Powder Bronze Duo for $38. There's a She's Blonde and She's Defined. From One Size is a new shade in the Clapper 3D Blush Trio Palette that retails for $38. It is Attention Seeker. From Laura Mercier, there's some new shades in the Tinted Moisturizer Bronzer. It retails for $30. A cream bronzer with all the benefits of the beloved tinted moisturizer that gives skin the perfect natural sun-kissed glow and 12 hours of hydration. So their Sun Drop is a light bronze, Sunbeam is a light medium bronze, Sunlight is a medium bronze, Sun Spell is a deepest bronze. Also from Laura Mercier is the Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation, a weightless foundation that blurs the line between makeup and skin with medium buildable coverage, natural finish, waterproof wear, and up to 12 hours of fade-proof wear. It does retail for $48 and is in 30 shades. It will be available February 22nd on their website and at Sephora. From Glow Recipe, it is the new Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops Pore Refining Plus Blurring. Blur pores instantly, controls excess oil, and visibly reduces pore size with this all-in-one treatment and primer packed with mattifying blend of tapioca and rice. Encapsulated BHA and strawberry enzymes to smooth skin's texture, strawberry leaf extract, and plant-derived pore minimizer absorbs excess oil while keeping skin hydrated for a soft, focused satin look. Wear alone or under makeup as a primer. It is coming soon on their website and to retailers. Our last item is that Benefit Cosmetics is extending the Pore Professional family to a full skincare line that includes Get Unblocked Pore Clearing Makeup and Removing Cleansing Oil, a Deep Retreat Pore Clearing Clay Mask, a Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser, a Smooth Sip Lightweight Smoothing Moisturizer for Pores, Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothie Pore Mask, a Tighten Tone Pore Refining AHA PHA Toning Foam, a skincare tool that is an Ulta exclusive. It's coming soon on their website and to retailers. Let me know if you guys are thinking about picking up any of the items in today's video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.